Hi, this is Gopal, Head of the Department of Humanities and Science. Today we are going to discuss matrices. So this is a very simple and easy subject in engineering, and it is useful to solve many problems in engineering. Now we shall discuss what is the matrix. So matrix is a store of information. Basically the definition of matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. They are arranged into rows and columns. So generally we are taking one example. Suppose Raju has 12 notebooks. Now it can be expressed so this is Raju and this is notebook, and we're taking one more example. Raju has 12 notebooks and 5 pens. We are taking one more student. Raghu has 10 notebooks and 4 pens. So this information can be arranged in a one structure. So that is Raju, Raghu. And what is the information here? Raju has the 12 notebooks. We are taking one more note here, notebooks and pens. So here information is Raju has 12 notebooks, 5 pens. Now we have to written here Raju has 12 notebooks, 5 pens, and Raghu has 10 notebooks, 4 pens. Now this is the general information of the two students. Raju has 12 notebooks, 5 pens. Raghu has 10 notebooks and 4 pens. This is the general information. So this information can be put in the square brackets. So this is called a matrix. Generally the definition of the matrix is rectangular array of numbers. They are arranged into rows and columns. Here Raju and Raghu, they are the two students. So Raghu has 12 notebooks, 5 pens. So this information can be arranged in this form, and Raghu has 10 notebooks and 4 pens. We are arranged into this form. So therefore this is called a general information. This is called a matrix. Matrix generally denoted by a capital letters. Example A, capital A, B, C and so on. Here we return this matrix A equal to 12, 5, 10, 4. So this is called a matrix. Now we shall discuss identity of the matrix. So generally, my name is Gopal. This is the identity of myself. And similarly here Raghu is one of the student. This is the identity of that student. And Raghu means it is another student. This is the identity of that student. Here A equal to 12, 5, 10, 4. So now we decide identity of this matrix by the based on the number of rows and the number of columns. Let us take one matrix A equal to 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. So this is one of the arrangement of the matrix. So this matrix contains 2 horizontal lines, 3 vertical lines. So first horizontal line is called row. This is first row. And this is the second horizontal line. This is called second row. So therefore this matrix contains 2 rows, first row and second row. Similarly, this matrix contains 3 vertical lines. This is first column, this is second column, this is third column. So therefore the matrix contains 2 rows and 3 columns. So therefore the matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns, this is called by, means the matrix of order 2 by 3. Order of A is 2 by 3. So this is the order of the matrix. So we are taking this example. So this information is also can be written as this form: 12, 5, 10, 4. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, this is also right, but here these rows are stands for the students and these are the some contents, means a notebook and pens. But coming to here, this column is stands for the students, Raju and Raghu, and these rows are stands for notebook and pens. And similarly, coming to this example, we written this is B. These rows can be written as the columns 1, 3, 5 and 4, 3, 2. So this is also one of the matrix, but they are not equal. So here the number of rows 1, 2, 3. The number of columns 1 and 2. So therefore order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. It can be written as order of B is 3 cross 2. So this is the order of the given matrix. Generally the matrices identity is depends on this order. Here this order of the matrix A is 2 cross 3. Order of B is 3 cross 2. Examples of order of matrices. Yes, what is the order of this matrix? First we check it, the number of rows. First row and second row. Then we check it, the number of columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. So therefore order of this matrix is 2 cross 4. We will see next example. What is the order of this matrix? So this matrix contains only a single row and it contains 3 columns. So therefore order of this matrix 1 by 3. So Y indicates number of rows, 3 indicates number of columns. What is the order of this matrix? This matrix contains 2 rows, 3 columns. So therefore order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. And similarly, what is the order of this matrix? This matrix contains 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 and a single column. So therefore order of this matrix 3 cross or 3 by 1. 3 means it contains 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 1 column. What is the order of this matrix? This matrix contains 2 rows, 2 columns. So therefore order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So today we discuss what is the matrix and the definition of the matrix, order of the matrix, and now we shall discuss the number of elements in the given matrix. Now we will see first example. This matrix order is 2 cross 4 and the matrix having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. So therefore matrix A having 8 elements. Generally we calculating by using this order. 2 4s are 8 means this matrix having 8 elements. And coming to second example, this matrix having 1, 2, 3 elements. 1 3s are 3, so therefore the matrix having 3 elements. And coming to this one, this matrix order is 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6 means this elements having 6 elements. So therefore generally if any matrix is given, element of this matrix calculating by using order of this matrix. For suppose the given matrix is X, this matrix order is M cross N. So therefore this matrix contains Mn elements. So this is the elements of the given matrix. So therefore now simply today we discuss what is the matrix and order of the matrix, the element of